Mr. Conductor, are you okay? Okay. Ah! Whoa! Oh no! Cinders and ashes, it's Diesel! Oh, oh dear. Mr. Conductor, but what happened to your sparkle? Oh, you've got to find more gold dust. Oh, sure. Oh, hi, narrow gauge engines. How have you all been? Oh, I've been fine, I guess. Well, it's not any troublesome trucks, thankfully, but Diesel 10, however. It's true, he's back on Sodor causing trouble, as he did last night. Well, we're all hoping he can, but he's run out of his sparkle. With that, then he can't go back to Shining Time Station. Yeah, I wish. I think his sparkle is all gone. I'd say. I don't know what they're up to. Chew! Well, it's not my fault. I still have sneezing powder in my funnel. Ha ha ha. Shut up, Gordon. I'm going to find Mr. Conductor before Diesel does. Sorry, Bertie, I can't today. I've got to be a really useful engine and solve some mysteries instead. Mr. Conductor? Mr. Conductor? Oh, Mr. Conductor, where are you? Percy, it's really unusual. Nothing really makes sense. I just stopped thinking about it. You could be right about that. Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever. Yeah, that's really similar. I've been looking for Mr. Conductor this evening, but no luck. Morning, Henry. What's the matter? Well, Henry, I would, but I'm taking these trucks of Welsh coal back to the other railway. I mean, you never needed them after your rebuild, right? I'm sorry, Henry. I just can't right now, okay? Goodbye, Henry. I'm sorry you're sick. 5? But I'm supposed to have 6. Oh, yeah. Don't know why they didn't give me 1, but they really should have. I'm just going to keep trying to find Mr. Conductor.